It's the last day, it's the uneasiness, it's the bittersweet last day of all of this. The Mumbai Urban Art Festival. It signifies the coming together of so many different people from so many different places. It signifies the coming together of a lot of diverse narratives. It signifies the activation of a part of a city that is already so significant. The idea has always been to go to spaces that have been abandoned, go to the peripheries of cities, go to spaces that are being pushed more and more to the margins, and kind of just reinstate and reactivate conversations that are very, very important. Certain artists were given specific briefs. Certain artists, we thought their practice, and specific works responded so well to the framework that then we loaned certain works. So it's really been a sort of mix in terms of how we're able to bring this roster of artists together.
For me, Mumbai Urban Art Festival is more like...
I don't know the answer to this. Stress, lots of stress.
Answer नहीं है मेरे पास इसका. It just kind of brings art to everybody.
अगर शायद ये फेस्टिवल ना होता तो आज हमें वो खाली ज़मीन दिखती, क्योंकि डिमोलिशिंग के ऑर्डर्स उसके हैं. एपी हाउस बंद पड़ा था, जो कि कुछ दिनों बाद वो भी साल 2 साल बाद 4 साल बाद डिमोलिश का ऑर्डर आते हैं. But it's such a wonderful thing staying here because of this festival.
It's very important to find these kind of spaces and regenerate that spaces, and that is something which we really believe. Creating a space for public. That जब public को space के बारे में नहीं पता है, at least through art they'll be aware of the space and the space will be known.
So the overall idea is also to understand how we can really inhabit the city through art, which creates over time a sort of contemporary heritage.
Look, we had a very big dream, and that dream was to take over from south to maybe Borivali, that part of Bombay, trying to see how we can work in a focused area and try to see how we can control that.
And from an awareness perspective, this time we know that we want to be steady, and that's the very big change I feel.
I think Mumbai's connection with water has been a little strange, because it's a city which built on water, but people really do not have that relationship with water. For people to come in and experience this exhibition from that lens is also great, because it kind of gives them that, yeah, sure, there is that always when you come into Mumbai, there's always that smell of Mumbai, and this is the hub of that smell. As we speak, we are working in Bandra, Lower Parel, Mahim, Dadar, and all of these things are not just Sassoon Dock, right? It is the Urban Art Festival, which is all over Mumbai.
So under this flagship name of Mumbai Urban Art Festival, where the main focus is on Sassoon Dock Art Project, which is the epicenter of this entire festival. Apart from this, we have done a few landmark murals, one at the Mahada buildings in Lower Parel, the other at SRA buildings in Elphinstone Road, near Dadar, near the flower market. We are also doing something to do with tactical urbanism in Carter Road, Bandra, where we have a skate park managed by the BMC and the Residents Association of Bandra Carter Road. Then we have been taking one travelling installation, and this installation is the inflatables. We have been taking that installation in different places. Then we did a performance with the pigeons and the orchestra. When we do these projects, it's not only a very mechanical process that the artist goes and does the work and goes off. It's not like that. It is more engaging with the residents or with the people who survive in the surrounding spaces.
We have BMC, which we are working with. We've got MHADA, which we are working with. These are all nodal bodies which we've been working with for a while. We have a very special connection where we do art in some of these spaces, some of the assets which are owned to them, but they are public-facing assets, so essentially they are owned by the people and they are viewed by the people. I think we've had a very robust programming calendar. I think the programming has brought in a lot of a different experience for people, from grandpas to grandmas coming and doing art workshops, to various kinds of LGBTQ communities coming and contributing and talking about the community itself, to various kinds of marine walks we've had. It's been amazing.
Start in Asian Paints, an interesting relationship we started building since day one. Start as a unique group because we try to dream, we have individual dreams and we have collective dream as well. And I think Asian Paints understands that particular aspect.
It's been really nice. I've never come for the art fest before. It's my first time.
Is this your first time at the festival?
No, this is my second time. Yeah, I had come here I think 2 or 3 years back.
What kind of art do you like?
Very complicated question he's asking actually. Love digital art.
किसके लिए खड़े हो लाइन में मालूम है?
ये art के लिए ना.
I mean, it's Bombay. What do you expect? If you're expecting quiet and space, then hey, spend some more time in the city. You're clearly not used to it yet.
Who recommended you about this event?
Some of my friends.
I think I saw it on Instagram.
What do you think about this graffiti jam?
This graffiti is fantastic.
The drawings, the environment, the vibe.
I like the urban buildings that they portrayed on the first floor.
Also the sand one, but the sand was breathing inside.
First of all, I love this building. I love the colors that are happening right now. This is the first time I'm having to stand in the queue, so it's a little different.
Since morning I'm here. I started with this building. We have been in the queue for almost 2.5 hours.
I had this lady with a kid. She was on a mission that day that she's gonna take her kid and show something new. And that day our registration was full. So she came requesting and I said, sorry ma'am, we can't let you in. And the kid was like, oh, please let us in ma'am. And I was like, okay, go. You see those moments, it was so beautiful. I would like for people to take back
Experiential art.
See the city through a different perspective.
यहाँ के लोकल भी हमारे साथ enjoy कर रहे हैं.
A sense of wonder and curiosity.
Acceptance for anyone who aligns with art is a huge deal, and the Mumbai Urban Arts Festival offers that. I think that's purpose served, achievement unlocked.
ये टाइम हमारा ऐसा कुछ था, चलो 3-4 हज़ार लोग आ जाएंगे, मज़ा आ जाएगा वैसे ही। बट ये टाइम तो ऐसा हमने मतलब ऐसे उधम मचाया है कि 12-13 हज़ार लोग, हमें हिलने की जगह नहीं है वहाँ पर। और भर भर के लोग ऐसे पनवेल से, कोई कॉलेजेस से भर भर के लोग आ रहे हैं देखने के लिए।
हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं, सिक्योरिटी काम नहीं करेगा तो साइट नहीं चलेगा। 2017 में जब अपना हुआ था तभी इतना एडवर्टाइजमेंट नहीं हुआ था, इवन मीडिया में अपना इतना सोशल मीडिया में एक्टिविटी नहीं था। तो ये साल सोशल मीडिया में अपना एक्टिविटी होने की वजह से लोगों को ज़्यादा मालूम पड़ रहा है और लोग ज़्यादा क्राउड और कॉलेज क्राउड, यंग क्राउड बहुत अपने पास आके देख के जा रहे हैं। लेकिन एक्सपेक्ट नहीं था कि इतना रोज का 10,000 क्राउड क्रॉस हो जाएगा वीकेंड पे।
We've been pushing people to come in from the docks to engage. It's easier with kids. Men, of course, they think they dominate spaces. Women, it's been a bit of a challenge.
See, the theme of the festival obviously has played a very huge role in the work that has already been installed in the exhibition, and it still continues to, especially with like new works that are being added. It has played a really important role, and it has continued across spaces and time.
The registration desk, look at these guys, they're so nice. The patient, incredible volunteers.
I think the best moment was all the off days that we don't have and we still get crowd, which is I think is the point of the whole festival.
It's very cool, people are fun. I loved working with all of the people, so it's easy, it's not that bad. I expected it to be much harder than it is, but it's good.
हर तरह के लोग एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, अपना स्टाफ भी एंजॉय कर रहा है, इवन अपने क्रू मेंबर्स, प्रोडक्शन टीम, सब लोग एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। और वो होना ज़रूरी है क्योंकि इवेंट में वो चीज़ खाली प्रोजेक्ट वर्क हो रहा है करके लोग आके देख के जाए, तो कुछ अदर एक्टिविटी होना बहुत ज़रूरी था और वो हो रहा है और वो बहुत बेटर हो रहा है।
Just seeing everything coming together, something that we envisioned and we actually planned. I mean, we came here when everything was bare, there was nothing over there, and then, you know, it's like an entire transformation. So I think that really keeps us all going, yeah.
We've been working on the festival since past year and a half. So.
Really? When was the first meeting of this festival?
At Sassoon?
Yeah. Or in general?
In general, last year, April. मत डालो मेरा।
मत डालो, ऐसे हो ही नहीं सकता। और कॉफी वाला भी नहीं आया।
मैं डाला है रिजवान।
Nope. More like nope.
Nope. Nope लिख दो उधर nope।
चलो यार, चलो।